Everyone's talking about success. But who do we really work for? When we chase personal growth, are we helping the nation too? And when we serve our country, do we grow as individuals? Can self-interest and national interest truly align? Join the debate. Am I working for my country or myself? On 4th November 2025, Tuesday, at 7 p.m. IST. Voices from dozen diamonds come together to explore a timeless question. Is our work a step toward personal success or national progress? Watch the product development team take on the customer service team as they challenge what it really means to work for a greater purpose. Don't just ask what you do, ask who you do it for. Discover whether true success serves the self, the nation, or both. 4th November 2025, Tuesday. 7 p.m. debate link in the description.